My fellow Americans, it's Joe the Senior. And in this session, we're going to talk about something that sooner or later that's going to be applicable to all seniors. And this is about some benefits for veterans, so that helps them with mobility at home. And that usually starts out where it's a little bit difficult here, getting from point A to point B, and then it gets a lot more difficult. So we're going to listen to the National Association of Veterans and Families tell us about benefits that are available for things like, countertops or ramps or things like that. So sit back or lay back and get educated.
Thank you, Joe. The National Association of Veterans and Families is happy to bring this information to our seniors. So here we go. Home improvements and structural alterations. From ramps to widened doorways, modifications can make a significant difference in accessibility and quality of life for veterans with service-connected medical issues. The VA Home Improvements and Structural Alterations Grant, also known as HISA, provides financial assistance to disabled veterans facing service-connected medical issues. Ramps are among the essential modifications covered by the HISA grant. These structures provide wheelchair accessibility, allowing veterans to enter and exit their homes with ease, and in some cases, non-service-connected issues, who need to make alterations to their homes, whether purchased and owned by the veteran or rented by or for the vet. Unlike certain VA grants that have specific eligibility criteria based on medical conditions or injuries, the HISA grant adopts a more flexible approach. To qualify for the HISA grant, veterans must submit an application including a prescription from a VA physician outlining the necessary home improvements. Applying for the HISA grant involves completing VA Form 10-0103, Veterans Application for Assistance to Acquire Home Improvement and Structural Alterations. Additionally, applicants must provide the following: an itemized estimate of labor costs, itemized lists of materials, permits, and inspections, a color photograph of the areas to be modified, a diagnosis and medical justification for alterations to be accomplished with the grant. Renters are allowed to use HISA grant funds to alter rental properties. They are required to supply written evidence that modifications are being done with the approval of the landlord or property management company. The VA will pay up to $6,800 through the HISA grant, which covers a wide range of home improvements. Lowering countertops is a significant modification covered by the grant. This adjustment ensures that workspaces in kitchens and bathrooms are accessible to individuals with mobility limitations. Widening doorways is another essential modification supported by the HISA grant. By increasing the width of doorways, veterans using wheelchairs or mobility aids can navigate their homes with greater ease and freedom of movement. Upgrading bathrooms is a key aspect of home modifications covered by the HISA grant. These upgrades may include installing grab bars, roll-in showers, or other fixtures. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Joe the Senior on YouTube.
Well, it's Joe the Senior again. Well, I hope you got something out of this segment. It's going to help you to make your life easier. So if it's something that's beneficial to you or somebody else that you know, press like, and we appreciate it. And contact NAVF anytime you have any questions on this particular subject. Thank you again, and have a good day.